Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I want to show you how I enjoy eating amala on a normal day. But my daughter called my attention to something. She said, "Mommy, you made heart shape amala for daddy." I was like, "No, I did not." Like, I was not even paying attention to that. I just wanted to serve the amala the way they serve us at events. That was it. And she said, "No, mommy, it's heart shape and it's beautiful." And I say, it's really beautiful. You can make it too. You can try this for yourself, for your friends, for your loved one. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, I have content, guys. I have content, but I'm getting ready. Like, I'm getting the equipment I will be needing ready. So finger crossed. Love you. Bye.